langchainexperimental. comprehendmoderation. BaseModeration. A detailed description of the given YAML file, expanding each scalar value with its context. A base class for moderation tools. This class provides a foundational structure for building tools that filter and moderate content based on predefined rules and policies. It serves as a blueprint for creating various moderation systems, enabling the customization of specific filtering and moderation logic according to individual requirements. Component 1. Get content from doc extracts content from a document. This method processes the input document and retrieves the relevant content to be moderated. For example, it might extract text from a PDF file, extract the body of a web page, or parse a structured document to identify the specific content that needs moderation. Get moderation results retrieves moderation results. This method interacts with the chosen moderation service, e.g., an API or a local model, to obtain the results of the moderation process. It takes the extracted content and sends it to the moderation service, then receives the moderation results, which typically include flags, scores, and potentially explanations for the moderation decision. Get response formats the moderation response. This method processes the raw moderation results received from the service and transforms them into a user-friendly and understandable output. It might involve summarizing the moderation decision, highlighting flagged content, and providing additional contextual information, making it easier for users to understand and interpret the moderation results. Component 2. Moderates the content. This method is the central function of the moderation tool, orchestrating the entire moderation process. It combines the functions of get content from doc, get moderation results, and get response to perform content moderation in a sequential manner. It first extracts content from the input, then sends the content to the moderation service, and finally formats the moderation response for presentation to the user. Provides a base structure for moderation tools. The BaseModeration class establishes a common framework for developing moderation tools. This structure defines the core components, methods, and interactions that are essential for any moderation system. It ensures consistency in design and functionality across different moderation tools, making it easier to understand, maintain, and extend. Defines core functionalities and methods for moderation. The BaseModeration class defines the core functionality of a moderation system. It outlines the essential steps and methods involved in content moderation, such as extracting content, sending it to a moderation service, receiving moderation results, and presenting the results to the user. This class acts as a foundation, ensuring that all moderation tools adhere to a common set of core functionalities. Offers a standardized interface for moderation tasks. The BaseModeration class provides a unified interface for interacting with moderation tools. This standardized interface makes it easier to switch between different moderation tools without requiring extensive code changes. It also allows for the development of reusable moderation modules, enhancing code efficiency and maintainability. Enables easy extension and customization for specific moderation needs. The BaseModeration class supports customization and extension, allowing developers to tailor the moderation process to specific requirements. This flexibility allows for the creation of specialized moderation tools designed to handle different types of content, moderation rules, and service integrations. Requires implementation of specific moderation logic within subclasses. The BaseModeration class provides a generic framework, but it requires developers to implement the specific moderation logic within subclasses. This implementation can be complex, involving decision-making regarding moderation rules, service integrations, and output formatting. Handling diverse content formats and moderation rules can be complex. The BaseModeration class needs to handle diverse content formats and moderation rules. This complexity arises from the need to support various input formats, interpret different types of moderation policies, and integrate with different moderation services, which can have varying requirements and functionalities.